welcome to Relocating to Disney. Today we're headed into the Magic Kingdom. Well, we're expecting some rain, so this should be interesting. We heard a code 101. I don't know exactly what that means, but it has something to do with lightning in the area. So that's kind of slowed some things down. The monorail isn't running, and the trams aren't running. And we're at the ticket center. We're going to try to make it over to the ferry and see if we can take that over to the Magic Kingdom. Hey, we made it inside the park. I got a little break from the rain for a little while. It's supposed to start raining again in about an hour or so.
Imagination. And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Here we are on the People Mover, and the next band of rain is starting to show up.
Inspiration for Epcot and Minion's forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. Yeah, pretty good speeding ticket.
Sometimes it's so hot at Disney, and then it rains. As long as it's a light rain, it feels pretty good. It's when it starts downpouring, and I think we're in for a downpour. All right, it's raining, so we're leaving. Well, we made it to the ferry. It's pouring out, and even with the poncho, I'm soaked. Now we got to get to our car. Boat can't go while there's lightning, so we've got to wait for the storm to pass, at least the lightning and thunder to pass, and then we can go. All right, we're underway, headed to the parking lot.
Ahoy mates, and welcome aboard the Admiral Joe Fowler. We will be arriving at our destination in just a few moments. On our way, we will travel 1 mile across the man-made Seven Seas Lagoon, which took almost 3 years to excavate. We do ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is
Made it to the ticket center. Now, got to try to get out to the car. I don't know if the trams are running, but it's pouring out. We made it to the tram. Tram is soaking wet, and so are we. made it to the car. We're soaking wet, but we're here, and we had a great time at the Magic Kingdom.